Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Hi mommies, the moment we say twins, there is a little spark in the eyes. Twins, wow! But it is definitely a challenge to bring up these kids, whether they're in the womb or they're inside. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary from the holy city of Kashi, will tell you more about twins. Multiple births are more common than they were in the past due to the advancing average age of mothers and the associated rise in the assisted reproductive techniques called the IVF. In particular, the use of fertility drugs has increased the number of twins. Twins account for over 90% of multiple births. There are two types of twins, identical or monozygotic and fraternal or dizygotic. To form identical twins, one fertilized egg or the ovum splits and develops two babies with exactly the same genetic information. This differs from fraternal twins, where two eggs are fertilized by two sperms and produce two genetically different children who are no more alike than individual siblings born at different times. Twins are more or less equally likely to be male or female. Contrary to the popular belief, the incidence of twins doesn't skip generations. Factors that increase the chances of having twins. For all those who want twins, these are some of the ways. Some women are more likely than others to give birth to twins. The factors that increase the chances include advancing age of the mother. Women in the 30s and 40s have higher levels of sex hormone called estrogen than younger women, which means that their ovaries are stimulated to produce more than one egg at a time. And if more than one eggs are produced, automatically there are chances of having multiple births. 2. Number of previous pregnancies. The greater the number of pregnancies a woman had already had, the higher her chances of conceiving twins. 3. Heredity. A woman is more likely to conceive fraternal twins if she is a fraternal twin herself and has already had fraternal twins or has siblings who are fraternal twins. 4. Race. Black African women have the highest incidence of twins, while Asian women have the lowest. 5. Assisted reproductive techniques. Many procedures rely on stimulating the ovaries with fertility drugs to produce eggs, and often several eggs are released per ovulation. Fertilization. If an egg is fertilized on its journey down the fallopian tube, it lodges in the thickened womb lining and starts dividing and evolves into an embryo. Identical or monozygotic twins. Around 1 in 3 sets of twins is identical. This occurs because the fertilized egg divides in two while it is still a tiny collection of cells. The self-contained halves that develop into two babies with exactly the same genetic information. Twins conceived from one egg and one sperm are called identical or monozygotic twins. The biological mechanism that prompts a single fertilized egg to split into two still remains a mystery. Approximately 1/4 of identical twins are mirror images of each other, which means the right side of one child matches the left side of the other twin. Fraternal or dizygotic twin. Around 2 in 3 sets of twins are fraternal. 2 separate eggs or the ovas are fertilized by 2 different sperms, resulting in fraternal or dizygotic twins. These babies will be no more alike than sibling borns at different times. The babies can be of either sex. Different sexes, it could be male-female, it could be male-male or female-female. Gestation for twins. The normal length of gestation for a single baby is around 40 weeks. But in gestation for twins, either identical or fraternal, it is usually 38 weeks, and that is the max. This shorter time is due to the increased demand on the mother's body and the inability of the babies to receive all the nutrients they need in the utero. Since twins are usually premature, they are more likely to have lower birth weights. Prematurity is associated with a number of disorders, including physiological jaundice. Now, giving birth to twins. Childbirth can give rise to complications when just one baby is present, so twins present extra potential for difficulties. It is advised that women carrying the twins give birth in a hospital and not at home. The babies can be delivered vaginally, but a cesarean section is generally preferred, and in a primary gravida, that is a choice. Zygosity testing. If you want to know the zygosity of the babies, whether they are identical or fraternal. It is difficult to tell if twins are identical or fraternal at birth. Some identical twins may be born with individual sets of membranes, which may lead to a mistaken assumption that the babies are fraternal. One way to tell the difference is to have the twins DNA tested. Identical twins share the same genetic information, while fraternal twins share around half. The test can be done with a sample of cheek cells collected painlessly. Just open the mouth and just scrapings are taken from there. And other tests include the blood group examinations. Where to get help? Your doctor, the pediatrician, and the maternity hospital. And a few things that you must remember when you're carrying twins. Twins account for over 90% of multiple births. To form identical or monozygotic twins, one fertilized egg splits and develops into two babies with exactly the same genetic information. To form fraternal or dizygotic twins, two eggs are fertilized by two sperm and produce two genetically unique children. So as a mother, as parents, what you can do? Just follow your doctor's advice. A little bit of piece of advice for all the mothers who are carrying twins. Please remember to follow your doctor's advice. Little bit of extra nutrition is needed, and do not fall trap to so many things that are available on the net. Little bit of extra rest, little bit of extra nutrition, little bit of extra love from your partner will make your journey very smooth. And trust your doctor completely and become a mom of twins. Buy one, get one free bonus. Thank you and namaste.